Hey everyone, I'm V-Train with Server.pro, and Mojang has recently released Snapshot 21W13A for Minecraft. This snapshot added a brand new mob and a ton of changes, but let's not waste any more time and get right into the update. Powder snow has been tweaked a lot in this new snapshot. For starters, the time it takes to freeze in powder snow has been reduced to 7 seconds, and players are now heard every 2 seconds when in powder snow. Entities on fire now melt powder snow on collision. There were numerous bugs in the previous snapshot dealing with not being able to place blocks on certain blocks. For instance, grass, ferns, flowers, and saplings couldn't be placed on rooted dirt, signs and banners couldn't be placed on moss, and cakes could not be placed on top of a moss block. However, all of these bugs have been fixed in this version. There was also a bug in which azalea bushes connected to walls and fences in the last update, but this bug has been fixed in this snapshot as well. Also, in this snapshot, water bottles can now extinguish candles, and waterlogged candles cannot be lit. In the previous snapshot, rooted dirt also had no assigned tool, meaning that no matter what you had in your hand, you could break rooted dirt equally. But in the snapshot, rooted dirt now breaks fastest with a shovel. Mojang devs have provided a brand new technical block to the game in the snapshot, the light block. This block emits light at a level determined by block state. The block is only visible and targetable when the item is held, similarly to barrier blocks, as you can only see them when you hold barriers. And by right-clicking these light blocks, you can change the light level that is emitted, all the way from 1 to light level 15. To get a light block, all you need to do is type /give your username light, and you will get this new block. A bug was found last week in which observers wouldn't detect a grass block becoming dirt if a tree grows, but this bug has been fixed in this version. And moss blocks can be found in shipwreck chests, and glowberries can now be found in mineshaft chest minecarts. In this snapshot, carvers are now less likely to be flat, mega caves have been made more likely to generate, and cheese caves are now more varied and interesting in your Minecraft worlds. There's also slightly more iron underground than the last snapshot, and larger diamond veins now form. In this new snapshot, goats have been added to the game. These passive mobs are super adorable and spawn in mountains. To make goats follow you, you can use wheat, and you can also milk goats for milk, similarly to cows. Axolotls and glow squids can now spawn in underground water sources, and axolotls will now chase after squids, glow squids, fish, pufferfish, guardians, and elgar guardians. They will prioritize targeting hostile mobs first before hunting passive ones. Frozen mobs, like strays, polar bears, and snow golems, are immune to freezing in powder snow, while fiery mobs, like blazes, magma cubes, and striders, take increased freezing damage from the block. In addition, skeletons that are in powder snow now take 7 seconds to become strays. A bug was found in the last snapshot involving axolotls, as their skin would change when you pick them up in a bucket and release them. However, this bug has been fixed in this version, so their skin should now remain constant. The Wandering Trader now has 3 new trades: 2 pointed dripstone for 1 emerald, 2 rooted dirt for 1 emerald, and 2 moss blocks for 1 emerald. The stonemason also has a new trade, as they can now sell 4 dripstone blocks for 1 emerald. Another bug was found last week involving the fact that cauldrons with water, lava, and powder snow inside of them could not be used as workstations for villagers, but this bug has been fixed in this snapshot. A brand new solid black background for the Mojang Studios loading screen is now available in the accessibility options. To get this black background, you can go to Escape, Accessibility Settings, and then this setting called Monochrome Logo, which toggles what the loading screen will look like. And that is all for the snapshot coverage video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then please subscribe and drop a like. Also, be sure to check out the rest of our videos for content featuring mod and plugin reviews. I couldn't go over every single bug fixed in this version, as the video would be an hour long, but if you'd like to read the full snapshot article page, then the link for the article will be in the description below. And If you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to mess around with the new goats and light blocks with your friends, then head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm The Terrain. Peace out.